guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Now, what is happening with Bitboy crypto? A lot of people are saying like he's going too over the board, because right now like he's in Bahamas, and he's actually went out like this is Sam Bank Friedman's car, Corolla. There you see the stuff inside. We are standing outside his place, and we are just trying to confront him. We are not here for anything else. Then security guys show up. Like, a lot of people are saying, okay, this is too much. Why something like this is happening? And even I to be very frank, even I thought this initially. Why something like this is happening? Like, he's accusing Kevin O'Leary, he's accusing like everybody, and he's going out to visit Bahamas. Then I realized, wait a minute, what is happening right now? We need to think what exactly is happening. Sam Bank Friedman has actually stolen billions of dollars. Like, he just gambled away so many people's money, and he is not being accountable. I mean, why is he not arrested yet? This is not a case where we are talking some miscalculation happened, that he expected something and then just the way probably the Luna went, right? Here he's promising, like, the exchange is supposed to be promising that, okay, we are not supposed to the exchange is promising that we are not supposed to do anything with your money. This is your money and we won't be touching it, right? And he is going and leverage trading people's money falsely. He should be behind the bars. We need to set an example. This is a big financial fraud, and that too billions of dollars for hundreds of thousands of people across the world, right? So this is what we need to understand, that when something like this is happening, and probably the suggestion goes to the point that Sam Bank Friedman is being defended, right? Some big authorities are actually defending Sam Bank Friedman, right? So we need to be understanding this, that why is he not arrested yet? Why people are saying, okay, I mean, why he is going to speak to an event, why some of the big names are defending him, why people like SEC chair who talk about protecting user fund are not criticizing him when financial fraud as big as this has been done, right? That's when you realize that yes, you need the other side of the force. What exactly is happening when Ben Armstrong or the Bitboy crypto is actually visiting Sam Bank Friedman outside his place and stuff? He's saying, okay, we are here, you come out here, and you just put across your point to the world. You have to be accountable. That's what he's saying, because a lot of people happen to believe that, okay, elites are to be protected, and okay, I mean, we cannot do anything. And then came the point that Ben Armstrong or the Bitboy crypto actually tweeted, okay, if anybody is living in Bahamas and they haven't filed complaint against Sam Bank Friedman, they should go and file it and report it to us. Why? Because when we asked the authorities why SBF is not arrested yet, the authorities said that nobody has filed an FIR against him. So if you have lost your funds in FTX, go and report it to the Bahamas authority, and then we will ensure that, okay, this is the report, this is somebody has filed, why are you not questioning this guy again? So there needs to be the people who want to protect the crypto, who want to make people accountable, especially, I mean, if let's say the law would have taken its course, let's say there wouldn't have shown the bias towards Sam Bank Friedman, right? Some sort of political influence, I wouldn't have been of this this opinion that somebody just go and confront him and stuff. Okay, the authorities are themselves doing the job. But when you are seeing that within the crypto space, so many people have lost the big sum of money, there is no point. I mean, obviously, you need to be having something like this, something irrational as this. He's standing outside, and what this is exactly causing, eventually, obviously, he's not going to go and arrest Sam Bank Friedman, but this is causing a big awareness amongst the people. This is causing people to realize and remember what has happened, where things are heading towards, so that Sam Bank Friedman might not be given the free pass which he is being given right now, right? So all in all, that's how now I think and I believe that initially when Bitboy crypto was being made fun of, this was the necessity, this was the need of the hour, because obviously somebody has to stand from the crypto point of view. Nobody can come. This is not a crypto problem, by the way, guys. This is a problem of somebody stealing money. It even happens with the bank. You open a company, you take hundreds of millions of dollars, like $1 billion of loan, and run away, right? And probably never pay it back. You gamble the money away. What do? Do you say that is it a bank problem? No, this is the person's problem. This is somebody who's trying to do the financial fraud based on the trust that they develop. That is where the problem is. So guys, what is your take on this? I would like to know what you believe in this, and this is now my perspective, my take onto this. I would like to know your opinion. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And again, you guys can win one full Bitcoin in the lucky draw that we keep on giving, that we keep on doing, and completely free. Just watch the video completely till the end. I'll leave the quick video how can you win that. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.